Okay, today we're going to discuss ERVs, or Energy Recovery Ventilators for your residence. ERVs, they are also known as HRVs. The difference between the two would be if you have an HRV, you're actually going to have a drain line on the bottom of it because it's removing moisture from that air, versus an ERV that is not going to have this drain line on the bottom. What the purpose of this is we're constantly bringing fresh air from the outside of the house and putting it into your house to make sure that your home atmosphere stays safe and healthy. So as you can see here, we have several ducts that are connected to it. And what they do is we have ducts that run to the outside of the residence that bring fresh air in and also exhaust stale air from the residence to the outside to make sure that that air inside the residence stays safe and healthy. For these units, there's several things that you need to do as far as maintenance goes. Inside, you're going to find that there are some air filters in here that should be checked monthly and cleaned probably every quarter, depending on how much the unit runs, how dirty the air is outside of the house, and how dirty the air is inside of the house. So as you can see, when we open this unit up, we have our cube, they call it, and up on top of the cube you have your filter media, and then the bottom is just your cube. So to do any maintenance or cleaning on these, basically what you want to do is you want to grab this cube center, yeah, there we go. So this is your cube, which has your air filters on it, and this is where your air comes through. So as you take your cube down and you take a look at it, you're going to see that we have filters on here, which these are washable filters. You can actually take them outside and rinse them off. And you have one on each side. This cube portion that's in this specific model that's here is made of cardboard. And you can basically take this unit, again, outside, take a garden hose to it, rinse it off, wash your filters off, dry everything, and put it all back together. So now, when you take this cube and you put it back up in here, just slide it back into your tracks. And slide your cube back in. Now once your cube is in place, you're all set back up again to filter your air, clean all the contaminants, things like that out of it as the unit operates. If you notice up in the corner here, we have two blowers. You have one on your intake, one on your exhaust. Again, those are something that we want to make sure that are working, but again, as a homeowner, it's not anything you're going to be able to check. So when you open this door up, if the unit's running and you notice that one of those blowers are not operating, you do need to call for service. When you're done with everything, take this, put your door back into place, put your latches back on, and your unit's back up and running. And now we're taking the stale air from the home, exhausting it out of the house, bringing fresh air back in. My name is Jeff and I'm with TRS. If you have any questions about ERV or want to improve the air quality in your residence, please give us a call.
TRS Heating and Air Conditioning. TRS